Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my messy sack, Sierra Victor 8 Delta Japan Whiskey. Today we will repair a Yaesu FTDX-10. We had a problem with the linear amplifier, the tube amplifier, make a mess, and we lost the USB port. PC does not recognize the USB port of Yaesu FTDX-10, so we opened it and we found the faulty parts. Yaesu likes very much to use resistors, fuse resistor. Here is the USB port, the Juliet 2504. And there are two resistors here, R2516 0 ohm and R2517 0 ohms. The one is going at D plus, the other is going at D minus. Here is the physical position. Here is the J2504, the USB plug, and here is the R2517, R2516, the fuse resistor, 0 ohms. So we checked these resistors, just a second. Okay. Here is the USB port, and here is the 2517 is this one, and 2516 is that one. We measured that. They are open circuit. They had to be 0 ohms, but now they are open circuit. So we changed it, and now everything is okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are okay after the repair. Everything is running smooth. The loggers, skimmers, MSHV, everything is going as supposed. This was a simple repair. Bear in mind that sometimes maybe it's not the resistances, maybe you have a problem at Silicon Labs processor inside Yaesu FTDX-10, but it's worth to try to test that 0 ohm resistances. Thank you very much. Sierra Victor 8 Delta Japan Whiskey.